Ask the Expert.
Hello and welcome to Ask the Expert. We're here today with Dr. Matt VanderMolen from Advanced Dental Care. Good morning, Dr. VanderMolen.
Good morning, Becky.
Dr. VanderMolen, today we're going to be talking about the fear of dentistry. Many people are afraid of the dentist. With all the advances in modern dentistry, what is there to be afraid of?
Well, you would think with all the new stuff that basically there wouldn't be anything to be afraid of, but the bottom line is people are still afraid of pain, their fear of the unknown, and they have basically a lot of irrational fears where they're not sure what's going to happen because of past childhood experiences.
With all your experience, you can probably tell when somebody's afraid. What do you do when patients come in to reduce their fears? Well,
the best thing that patients can do to help with that is they should really pick a dentist that they can trust. Trust is a big thing in any relationship, and if you don't have a dentist that you can trust, it's not going to go far from there. And then the next best thing that a patient can do is to talk to their dentist and say, hey, these are the things that I'm afraid of. What can we do to help with that? And then you should have a dentist that will work with you to alleviate those fears.
Now, one of the things that we've talked about in the past is sedation.
Right.
And you do sedation dentistry.
Right.
What about using it, and who qualifies for something like that? Who's a good patient?
Well, sedation dentistry is awesome, and anything beyond any kind of just minimal type fears, sedation dentistry is a great help. And unfortunately, not too many dentists offer it. I'm one of the very few dentists that do, because it takes lots of extra education and training. But it's one of the best things that I've ever done, and we help a lot of people. It's actually probably one of my favorite things to do.
Well, and one of the things you mentioned too, I think good communication between the patient and the dentist is important.
That's very important. That's the most important.
Yes. So thank you very much. You've been watching Ask the Expert. For more information, you can go to newschannel20.com.
Ask the Expert.